friends, I am Ucha Shaha, a student of Inbuild Club. Welcome to the world of inbuilds. Today I am going to introduce you all to the new programming software, Arduino IDE. Let's go on to the adventure. First, we need to know what Arduino IDE software is. The Arduino Integrated Development Environment, or in short, Arduino IDE, is a cross-platform that is written in functions from C to C++. It is used to write and upload programs to Arduino compatible board. The developer is of course Arduino software. It is written in C, C++, and Java. The operating system is Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. To understand Arduino IDE, at first we must download it. So to download, please search in Google Arduino IDE download. The next step for downloading is to click your mouse pointer on the highlighted portion. The same will come in your Google search, so no worries. After clicking, you will get a website. Please scroll down. You will get this. Here you can install Arduino IDE by choosing your operating system and clicking the link. For example, for Windows, click on the highlighted link. I think this will help you. Yep, we have downloaded Arduino IDE. This is the software icon, as you can see on the screen. I hope yours will also be same, and you will also be successful. This is what it will look after you open it. Have a look at it. This is the file option. It contains most of the important options. First of all, I must tell you the definition of sketch. Sketch is what program you upload on your board is called. This is a very important definition. We must always remember this. The new option is the first option in the file. Here, this is used to open a new screen for writing a new sketch. And the next option is, as you can see, open option, which is used to open a sketch which has been saved by you in your computer. The next option is open recent option, which is used to open a sketch which you have closed and saved in your computer recently. I think now you have understood these three options in the file tab. Some example sketches are found in the option examples. That is, some programs are found in example option. If you are a beginner, you can use this option and find out a lot of programs like blinking of LED can be found in the basic of examples. The next option is save. Here you can save the sketch in your computer wherever you want, in whichever name. The next option is close. This is used to close the windows where you are writing the sketch. The next next option is preferences. This option is the most interesting one for me. The preferences option is to customize the look and behavior of your editor, such as the text size, color, theme, etc. I think the most important thing in preferences is display line numbers option and verify code after upload option. In the display line numbers option, the lines of the code are stored in numbers numerically. The second option is verify code after upload. In this option, the computer verifies and tells us what is wrong in our code after you ask the computer to upload the code in the Arduino board. I think now you have understood the options in preferences. These are all the options which you need to know now in File tab. Next we are going to learn Edit. Come on, let's continue the adventure. The next tab on which we will work on and know many more things is Edit. Let's know much more things in the Edit tab in Arduino IDE. The first option in Edit tab, as you can see, is Undo. This helps in undoing your previous action. The second option, as you can see, is Redo. This option helps in undoing your previous undo action, which means that Redo helps us in undoing the action you have performed to undo the previous action. I hope you have understood. The next option in Edit tab is, as you can see, Cut. I think you all must be familiar with undo, redo, cut and copy options. The cut option, as I think you must know, to delete and paste the sketch wherever you want. The next option is Copy. This is one of the easiest options in Edit tab. It helps us to copy our sketch. I think you have understood this much. The next option is, as you can see, Paste. It helps us to paste something that you have copied from somewhere else. I think you have understood all of the options in Edit tab. The next tab about which we will talk about now is the Sketch tab. This is one of the most important tabs in Arduino IDE. I think you have understood till now and will also understand after this. That is the Sketch tab. The first option in the Sketch tab is Verify or Compile. This is a very important option. This option checks whether the program is correct or not. This is very useful. The next option is Upload. This is also a very important option. This option tells the computer to upload the sketch you have written in the Arduino board, so that the Arduino board can do its task as written in the program. I think you have understood till this. The next option is include library. This is also a very important option. This is the option through where packages that can be included to your sketches to provide extra functionalities can be added. Some built-in libraries are always found here, but you can always add some more libraries in your Arduino IDE as per your choices. We have already learned till the sketch tab. I hope you have understood everything clearly. Now we are going to learn the last tab, which is the Tools tab. I hope you will understand this perfectly too. The first option in the Tools tab is Serial Monitor. By this option, we can know the graph of the value that is currently being taken by Arduino. I hope you have understood this. The next option in Tools tab is Serial Plotter. The Arduino Serial Plotter is a tool that comes pre-installed with your Arduino IDE that takes incoming serial data and displays them in a plot. The vertical y-axis adjusts as the value of your serial data increases or decreases. I hope you have understood this too. The next option in the Tools tab is very important. It is the Board option. There are many options in Arduino IDE in the Board option. We are choosing Arduino Uno here. Here you must select the board in which you are uploading the sketch you have written. I think you have understood this much. The next option in Arduino IDE in Tab Tools is Port. I think you must know that your computer has a lot of ports. You must attach the USB cable of your Arduino board with one of these ports. Then select the port through which you are connecting your Arduino board to the computer in here. I hope you have understood all of the options in Tools tab 2. This was the last option. The next tab is Help. I hope you will understand all the options in the Help tab too. The next tab, as I said before, is Help. Here, as you can see, is for your facility. That is, it is important but for beginners only. Helpful links and glossary about Arduino terms are found here. If you are using Arduino IDE for the first time, please click on Getting Started and read it wholly. And try to do it in your home by buying an Arduino Uno. Afterwards, when still you are beginner, you can visit arduino.cc. Here, a glossary of Arduino terms are found. I hope you have understood all the options here wholly. Thank you. This is the bare minimum code. I have already written this code. You can also try this. This code is for those who are using Arduino IDE and writing Sketch for the first time. Now I am of course going to explain you all those which is here. Here I think the first thing that you can see is word setup. Here the code that you are writing here will run only once. The second option as you can see word loop. The main code has to be written here. The Arduino will run like a loop in here. That is, the code that you will write here will run repeatedly. I think you have understood till this. I request you to write this on your own. I hope you have understood everything that I have covered in Arduino IDE. Please try to do every options and an example from the file tab. I hope you will be successful. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe the channel and comment in the comment section below. And please share as much as possible. Thank you.